GCMS Part 2, Managing and Closing a Case. When managing cases, you will want to make sure to either log in or check your emails on a daily basis. The partner receiving the referral has 72 hours to acknowledge the case. If it is not viewed, the case will be removed from the partner's case summary page and the case status will be changed to Case Not Acknowledged. Once a case is referred to you, you will want to acknowledge it. Once you view the case status will change from Case Referred to Case Viewed. Before accepting or declining a case, check to see if all the required documents and information have been provided. If everything looks in order, you can accept the case. In the Case Details section, select the drop-down menu next to Change Case Status. Click Case Accepted. We do recommend that you assign the case with a reference number before saving it to help you identify it later. Once you are done filling in the details, click Update Case to save your changes. If you wish to decline a case, it is good practice to email the managing partner your reasons for your decision. To do that, you can use the Communication with Partner section. After you send the email with the details on why you're declining the case, you can then change the case status to declined in the Case Details section. You will also be asked to add a short note in the Change Status remark. Communication between you and the partner is essential in the process. When using our system to provide updates or request more information, you will be required to include a due date with every email. You can also click to have a reminder email sent and select what day you want the reminder to be emailed. Next, we will cover closing a case. It is the responsibility of the managing partners to close a case. There are several status conditions you can use to close a case. There are many statuses available, but the following are the ones used most frequently. Closed Canceled, for use when a case has been copied or entered incorrectly. Closed Unpaid, for use when a case has been unsuccessful. Closed Paid, for use when the subject agrees to pay. Closed Settled, for use when the subject will make partial payment instead of a full payment. Closed Resolved, for use when an investigation case has been successfully completed. Closed Irresolvable, for use when the case is disputed. Closed Unable to Locate, for use when the subject cannot be found. And select Closed Insolvent Bankrupt, for use when the subject cannot pay the debt. If someone makes a payment toward a debt, you will want to record it in the Transaction section. Select the transaction type. Please note, for any payment of debt, all the transactions entered should be classified as debt collection. Fill out the required information and add your transaction. If the transaction is the one and only payment, then click on Finalize. If the subject is paying in installments, upon receipt of the final payment, you will click the Finalize All button here at the top. You can only close a case as Case Closed Paid if the transaction has been finalized. Thank you for taking the time to look at our global case management system. For further assistance, please send your emails to help@gcs-group.com.